The 2024 Mitsubishi ASX proves to be a reliable choice for those looking for a compact SUV that does not compromise on safety. Recently tested by Euro NCAP, the ASX achieved respectable ratings across a range of categories, highlighting Mitsubishi's focus on providing a safer drive for all occupants. For Adult Occupant Protection, the ASX scored 76%, showing that the vehicle offers solid protection in crash scenarios. The passenger area remained stable in front collision tests, though protection for the driver's chest was rated weak. Nevertheless, other areas like head and leg protection performed well, demonstrating that Mitsubishi has taken steps to ensure adult safety in key impact zones. In the category of Child Occupant Protection, the ASX did not disappoint, scoring 80%. The high rating reflects Mitsubishi's attention to effective child restraint systems and solid seat design, making this a vehicle families can feel confident about, especially during long drives or frequent trips with younger passengers. The Vulnerable Road Users category, measuring pedestrian and cyclist protection, came in with a 76% score. The ASX includes autonomous emergency braking that detects pedestrians and cyclists, offering a safer experience for all road users. While some advanced features like cyclist dooring prevention are not present, the ASX still provides meaningful protection in high traffic areas. Rounding out the assessment, the Safety Assist systems achieved a 69% rating. Equipped with lane keeping assistance and speed support technology, the ASX gives drivers more control and situational awareness. These technologies contribute to accident prevention, enhancing overall safety. The 2024 Mitsubishi ASX is a commendable option for anyone prioritizing safety in their vehicle choice. With its combination of smart technology and solid crash protection, it offers both reassurance and reliability on the road.